Did you put that spoiler back there, or you bought it like that?
I didn't buy it like it came that way. I didn't buy this car. I went and took it off. My buddy owed me like $8,800 on a house.
Yes, sir.
And I said, well, and his wife was dying, so I said, Angelo, just give me the Corvette and I'll sign the deed to you.
What's going on there, sir?
Bobby?
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So here's your Corvette, huh?
86.
86.
It's fast, man.
You were telling me you got the 383 stroker in there?
Yeah, got 69,500 miles on it. Runs like a race tape. The guy that rebuilt it is High Performance Guy.
Okay.
You ever heard of him?
Where?
On Weber and
Oh, yeah.
STIDs. Damn smart. He put all new Mallory. In fact, I got all the paperwork back here if you want to see it. All new Mallory injectors. Had all the fluids changed out by Dub's Garage.
Yes,
4
sir.
months ago. From everything changed. Plus, had the gas tank flushed out too and vacuumed.
I like this.
And guess what? It's got a full tank and all I ran in it is non-ethanol.
Nah.
Exactly. I mean, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So I know there's no Barbies in the engine.
How'd you hear about us?
So since I first come to the city, I heard about it. I don't know how to open it.
Let's see. It should be right here. There.
Okay, yeah. There's the paperwork. The catalog. Should be in that box. And in the book.
Okay, yeah, here we go.
Everything I put into it,
Yeah, you said you done spent a lot of money on this thing.
I put $5,000 into it. That's why it's running so damn good. It's just hard. I'm 71 years old. It's hard for me to get in and out.
Well, these ones, they got that little hump to it.
Yeah.
They're hard to get in and out of.
It's like a 69 when I bought it. I was young and had guns on me. I don't hustle ladies anymore. It's a nice car, man. You can work on it. You got automatic lights.
It's a beautiful color on it.
Oh, that car's been well taken care of. I didn't buy that car. I had a Vietnam buddy that I had in Vietnam with me. He was up in South Bend, Indiana.
Yes, sir.
And he went broke, and he was an alcoholic. And I had another friend buy this off him. And then my friend's wife was dying of cancer, so he couldn't afford to pay. I sold him 2 homes, and he owed me like $8,800.
Yeah.
And I said, well, just give me that Corvette. So that's what he did.
Good,
so I signed the deed to the land on the home for him, you know.
You're a good friend.
So I didn't really want the car.
No, of course. Why don't you fire it up? Let me hear it. Got that wood grain interior.
Yep.
Make sure these headlights work.
Everything works. Blinkers work. Everything works on it.
Good deal. Let's go take it around the block.
Be careful getting out of here.
Yeah, it's a little maze over here.
Be so careful in it, you know. I got liability insurance.
Yeah, that's what I ride with. We kind of just self-insure our cars.
Is this the block I go around?
Yeah, I would just take a ride over here.
Okay. Yeah, I've been running nothing but non-ethanol in it ever since I fucking had a tank cleaned.
Yes, sir.
I said, fuck that ethanol. I don't run gas in any of my machines, but lawn machines, nothing. Everything's non-ethanol.
Huh. Well, they probably run a lot better.
Oh, they're a lot cleaner, run sharper, quicker.
You got a radar detector in here or what?
Yeah, right here. Goes off too much.
AC work?
That's what don't work.
That's what don't work?
I don't use it. Oops, I better hang on to this. I've got a window up here a little. But yeah, yeah, everything in it works, so.
Okay. Does it blow or anything?
What's that? Go ahead, try it. I think it does. It's not good to blow when your AC don't work, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but if you're gonna fix it, you might as well fix it.
See, I'm certified in air conditioned heating. I just never use it.
Yeah.
See, if you do it, if
Yeah,
you
it
run
blows.
it, yeah, the compressor. I have never ran it. I never run compressor. I never used AC in any of my cars. I don't use AC in my house. You know.
How the brakes on it? They squishy, or the pedal? Top's
really
good. Alright, so it looks like you got some tires here.
Brand new. I haven't even drove the car. I got an economy car at home. I got a Saturn Ion with a tiny little engine in it.
Yes, sir.
Great on gas. Saturn starts. A very dependable car. And I hate taking it someplace because somebody's going to scratch it, hit it, bump it. You know what I mean? That's a bitch about having a nice classy car.
Yeah, no, people don't respect it, really.
Yeah, I get jealous. Hey, scratch that son of a bitch. You know? Where am I at? Go left?
You'll take a right.
Take a right. I'm lost in this neck of the woods.
And then we'll just go straight back to the dealership.
Okay. Shits and gets, man.
It does. Seems like it's run pretty good.
Oh, yeah. That guy knew what he was doing. It took me a long time to find that mechanic.
Yes, sir.
I looked all over for the right mechanic. When I talked to that guy over there, he was about 65 years old, man. He knew what the name of his shop's High Performance.
High Performance.
He put I got $100 injectors put in this car. Not them $50 ones. Mallory, everything's High Performance in here.
It runs, sounds great.
It was a pace car.
Did you put that spoiler back there, or you bought it like that?
I didn't buy it like it came that way. I didn't buy this car. I went and took it off. My buddy owed me like $8,800 on a house.
Yes, sir.
And I said, well, and his wife was dying, so I said, Angelo, just give me the Corvette and I'll sign the deed to you.
Alrighty.
Oh. Like right now, it's got a full tank of good old non-ethanol. You know? With everything on it good. Everything. It's got a new battery.
Hey, you put some Band-Aids on here, huh?
It's the only bad place on the car. Right there, that little spot.
Well, at least you covered it up with some American flags.
Yeah, and somebody, I think, hit it with a card or something.
Yeah.
Exhaust is new. Tires are new.
What's the paint look like under here?
It looks okay.
Yeah, feels
It's
alright.
okay. It's been garage its whole life.
Yeah. I don't want to mess with it too much.
See that? It's
Yeah.
a little dirty, that's all. Like I know what you're thinking. Moisture. Fuck the paint up. Not this car.
Not this one, huh?
It was garage. Even up north, always in a garage.
Alright. What branch did you serve in?
Army.
Army, how long?
2 years.
2 years.
Got out of Vietnam April 10th, 1972. I had surgeries on me. I got scar tissue. I got screens in me, hip to hip. VA, I never paid for medicine in my life.
Yes, sir.
Never paid for any of the surgeries.
They took care of you.
They take care of me every time. They can get me right in front of the line, man.
Well,
My Social Security that I collect.
Yes, sir.
You're not taking money out of my check for no goddamn Medicare. $200 a month now.
it's crazy.
You know what I told him? Yeah, I went down to the VA at Social Security. VA man.
Yes, sir.
I said, tell them take nothing out. I got all free medical, free medicine. Why would I want Medicare?
Yeah.
And so now my Social Security check is up there.
Great.
They didn't rip me off.
Well, you know what? I'll give you the extra $500 for your service.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
All right.
I got tired because I had to every month get it started.
I know.
Run it, beat the shit up, take it back. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Do you have the title with you?
Everything's right in